All right, time for some payback. And now I'm going to read Ashley some questions that I think most guys would know and that I think she'll have no idea what they are. Ready? Excited? Because I got like none wrong when she was asking me.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, good. What does PC stand for? PC.
Well, that's a computer.
Right.
That's not a Mac.
Right. So what would PC stand for?
Personal computer.
Very good. Yeah.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, good. All right.
Wow.
We're starting easy.
Okay.
Okay, good. Name a Pokemon other than Pikachu. There's about 800 of them, 900 of them. So, no.
I have no idea.
No, try.
I've heard you say a lot of words, but I know what some of them look like. One of them looks like a pretty little dragon, kind of silvery, like almost like a little. Lily has it in her room.
Oh, yeah, true. Yeah.
I don't know any.
Okay, all right. Well, there's too many to name.
What is that one's name?
What?
What is that one's name?
The one in her room?
Yeah.
Dragonair.
Dragonair is its
Dragonair.
name?
Dragonair.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, now I can remember that.
Yeah. What is WD-40 and what is it used for?
It's in the little can with that long stick.
Yeah.
Like the Tin Man would use it, like with the little whistles and not squeaky. It makes things not squeaky.
Okay, yeah.
Doors.
pretty good.
You.
It's a general all-purpose lubricant.
It's an okay
An
lubricant.
oil, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all right.
The Tin Man's favorite.
Tin Man, yeah, great. Who played Indiana Jones?
Oh, I love Indiana Jones. Oh no, what's his name? Okay, hang on. Okay, Harrison Ford.
Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
I did like him.
Yeah.
Definitely crush on Indiana Jones when I was younger.
The thing that people don't know about Ashley is that you're actually quite the buff of just a few particular movies.
Well, I was gonna say not many.
You
but
watched a lot of Indiana Jones and your other favorite.
Jurassic Park.
Yeah, exactly.
Twister.
So random. Okay. What does Control Z do on a computer? I press Control or Command Z on a Mac on a computer. What would that do? Control Z on a PC.
Pull up your notes.
Command Z on a computer. What would that do on a Mac?
I don't know. I thought it pulled up your notes.
No.
I only know copy and paste.
That's fine. No.
I don't know.
Okay. Who is Thanos and what does he collect?
He's Greek and he collects Thanos.
He's Greek. Keep going.
Yeah. I don't know. She went there.
Nothing.
I don't know. I don't know what
He's Greek.
Thanos collects.
He's
Thanos.
Greek.
He's
All right.
Greek.
All right. Thanos is Greek. This is going really well.
Yeah.
For you. If I'm talking about Tony Stark, who am I talking about?
He's not the skateboarder.
Tony Stark, the world famous skateboarder. Tony Stark. That was really good. Yeah, Tony Stark.
Yeah. No, he's not him.
Yeah, he's a skateboarder.
I don't know who
Yeah,
that is.
Tony Stark. Okay. Ashley thinks Tony Stark is the well-known skateboarder. Great. What family lives next door to Ned Flanders?
Oprah's family.
Oprah's family
I don't know who Ned is.
famously lives next door to Ned Flanders. No? Okay.
I don't know.
That's great. Okay. All right.
Is he a famous rich person? Ned?
Yeah,
Ned?
babe. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, known for his wealth. Great. All right, let's move on. I'll toss you a soft one.
I don't know.
If I'm talking about Gandalf, Frodo, and Gimli,
Lord of the Rings.
very good.
I did know that.
Great. Can you name? I was gonna say 4, but I'm gonna say, can you name one of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? She had a younger brother. Has a younger
Michelangelo.
brother. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
Cool. Good job.
Yeah.
Austin will be very proud of you. for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How many volts are in a standard AA battery?
57.
My grandpa's gonna get you for that one. You're gonna be very
I don't know.
50,
Okay.
Yeah, 57 volts in a AA battery. Doesn't sound dangerous. What is a server farm?
That is something that holds everybody's information. Like Amazon would have a server farm. It's like a big building with a bunch of servers in it.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah,
Yeah, very
server
good.
farm.
Yeah, well done. What does lag mean?
Something slow.
Kind of, but what would it be specifically referring to?
Lag.
Use in a sentence.
What you could say like Alex is lagging behind.
Sure. Wouldn't be true, but sure.
The computer has a lot of lag
Okay.
right now.
I'll give you half of that answer.
The internet is lagging. The lag
Yeah.
is just there's lag in the processing.
It would be
There's lag in the speed.
It would be more specific to like gaming, online gaming,
Okay.
and like you're trying to do something, but the internet is lagging, and so it's like a delay in you trying to do something in the game.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it would be.
Okay.
What is a respawn?
A respawn.
Respawn. Yeah.
A Pokemon dies and it's reborn.
Okay. I mean, I'll kind of give you that. Like Pokemon don't technically die, but
Okay.
I'll give you.
Spawn just sounds like something
Spawn
from
means appear.
fucking Pokemon. Like
Right.
The spawn of Pokemon.
Okay.
You know,
That's pretty
that's
good.
all
All right.
This is what I'm gathering.
All right. What is Hogwarts? A disease? What's Hogwarts?
It's with Harry Potter. Is it the school they go to?
Wow.
Is that good?
Wow. Yeah.
Was that good? Okay.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't seen Harry Potter.
Well, you did pretty good.
I did okay.
Yeah, I think you did all right. There were definitely some pretty obvious ones in there that you didn't get.
Like what? Like Ned?
Ned.
Is he a person in a movie?
Well, there is a movie about it, but more famously a TV show.
Is he like, did he make The Simpsons or something?
He lives next door to The Simpsons.
Oh, how funny.
He's the neighbor. The very...
Oh, I thought, well, maybe he's a neighbor in a car. Like, I didn't.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay.
Yeah, he's the
okay.
neighbor in The Simpsons. Tony Stark, you confused him with Tony Hawk.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tony Hawk is the skateboarder.
Yeah.
Tony Stark is Iron Man.
What do you mean he's Iron Man? Like Bruce Wayne?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Similar.
He's Bruce Wayne. Tony Stork. What is his name?
Stark.
Stark. Tony
Stark.
Stark is Iron Man.
Yeah. Thanos is...
Are you saying Thanos?
Thanos. He's the villain in the Avengers. He said he was Greek. He's not Greek. And he collects Infinity Stones.
Wow. See, that one would have. I don't even know. I don't even know what the Avengers is.
Oh, really?
They're Superman. They're the
Yeah, they're the Superman.
whatever, you know, like the Superman type people.
Yeah,
What do you call them? Superheroes. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not familiar with them.
Okay. In a AA battery, you said there was 57 volts. If my memory serves me correct, there's 1.5, not 57. So you need about 50 batteries to get 50 AAs. Line them all up, you get 57 volts. Yeah.
That's
okay.
funny.
Well, you did well.
Okay.
I'll come up with some more questions. Maybe we
Okay.
can try this again.
That's funny.
Well done.
Okay.